Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing few brilliant ideas of kitchen organization and how you can save lots of space in your kitchen while organizing. So let's start. This beautiful silver tray with handle I got as a gift in Diwali, and it came along with 2 tea lights. So now Diwali is over, so I thought to use it in my kitchen as a countertop organization. You can also use this type of tray and organize your oil, ghee, salt bottles and even your spice bottles. You can easily organize, and it is very durable and strong. Also, it has small knobs on the bottom which gives little height to the tray. You can not only use this tray in your kitchen, but also this can be used as a decorative tray with some plants and candles on your coffee table or dining table. In kitchen and even in other rooms, we use lots of plugs like mobile charger and plugs of other gadgets. This holder I bought so that I can organize all those plugs and wires, which creates lot of clutter and mess in my kitchen and other rooms. This comes with self-adhesive sticker, and you just have to stick it near the plug points so that whenever you want to plug in or use different gadgets, you can just remove it from the socket and hang it near to the plug point. This way your charger and other plugs will not create mess and remain near their original place. A very simple idea to keep small things organized, and while doing this we are giving home to every small and big items in our home. We mostly arrange all our crockeries one on one, and without realizing it may give scratches and spoil them. Also, sometimes this crockery take lot of space, so while organizing crockeries, before keeping them on top of each other, use paper napkin in between each crockery. By doing this, you can save your crockery to get scratches from each other, and you will get lot of space to organize other things. So here I am rearranging all my crockeries, and I am using paper napkin in between each and every crockery. By keeping one on one, I can now save lots of space in this drawer, and I can arrange containers and crockeries in the same drawer. You can buy many kitchen organizers and other household products from Mera Link by Bulbul Shop. Just like any other online shopping website, Mera Link by Bulbul Shop also provides you free delivery, free cash on delivery and very easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can check out the website for different new exciting discounts and offers provided by Bulbul Shop. You can easily reach out to the website by clicking it from the description box. After clicking the link, don't forget to download the Bulbul app so that whatever you are ordering, you can check its status from my product column, and also it will be easy for you if you want to return any product and to get the refunds. Do check out the website for variety of products at very reasonable rate, and you can also place your order through WhatsApp link. All links and details are provided in the video's description. You can check out if you wish to buy. This is a magnetic writing sheet which we can use on fridge to make list of groceries and meal planning. It comes with a marker and a duster which also has magnet on it. I found it very useful as most of the time we tend to forget grocery items which are already finished, and many times we bring same things which we already have in bulk. So now you can just write it here whatever you need to buy and click a picture while going on shopping. It's very easy to install and use because of its strong magnet. Only thing you need to remember is to keep the marker upside down while putting it on the fridge, otherwise it will not work properly. You can use the separate duster which comes along with the set, or you can also use a small duster given on the marker's cap. In this type of trolley, when we keep small bottles, it always happens while opening, these bottles shake a lot and sometimes fall inside the trolley. So for solving this problem, you can use this type of ziplock and tie them in between each row of bottles. By doing this, all your bottles will remain steady and will not shake at all even by pulling the trolley very fast. Similarly, same trick you can do while storing bottles in fridge. A very beautiful square shaped basket is a must buy for every kitchen. You can store many different things in this. I am storing my kitchen towels in this basket. Because of its square shape, you will able to store maximum items as compared to the round ones and save lots of space in your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and these ideas will help you organize your kitchen too. Consider subscribing my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos.